Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to discussing about the problems related to averages. Let's see the first question in this session. This is very important problem. Listen carefully. Here, the question which is given as a salt manufacturing company produced a total of 5,000 tons of salt in the month of January of a particular year. Here, total manufacturing salt manufacturing company produced a total of 5,000 tons, 5,000 tons of salt in the month of January of a particular year. Now, starting from February onwards, this sentence is very important. Read that sentence carefully. Starting from February, its production increased by 100 tons. Its production increased by 100 tons every month over the previous months until the end of that particular year. Here, the sentence is he is saying that from February onwards. Here, during the January, the production is 5,000 tons, but from February onwards, after every month, the production is increased by 100 tons. Production is increased by how much? 100 tons. Until that process is continuous till the end of the year. That process is continuous till the end of the year. Now the question finally what he is asking is find its average monthly production. Find its average monthly production in tons. Here we need to calculate in terms of tons for that particular year. If you observe the question carefully, it is very simple question, but the question itself it is looking lengthy. But don't confuse. Here during January the production is 5,000. From February onwards, after every 1 month, production is increased by 100 tons. Therefore, in February, this particular value 5,100. March 5,200. April 5,300. May 5,400. Next, June 5,500. July 5,600. August 5,700. September 5,800. October 5,900 and November 6,000, and finally in the month of December that is 6,100. So many people are having a doubt that as we are having 12 months in a year, every time it is not mandatory to write all those numbers 5,000, 5,100, 5,200. You can also take it as directly you can also write the end number. How means after every month the value is increased by 100 tons. Here total 12 months are there. Total 12 months. If there are 12 months, from second month onwards increment is there, not from first month. So how many increments will be there? Total 11 months only. Every increment is equal to 100 tons. 11 into 100 which is equal to 1100 tons. It means that starting month is 5,000, ending month that is December which is equal to 5,000 plus 1100 increment which is equal to 6,100. In this way you can easily calculate the ending month value. Why I am especially talking about the ending month value is here some people what they will do is they will take all the values addition, after that they will divide it by 12. That is somewhat time waste process in examination point of view, especially in any competitive examinations. Time is very crucial role, right? In order to avoid that, here you can apply the shortcut method. That is, whenever the gap between any two consecutive values are same, if you observe carefully, for every consecutive numbers the gap is same which is equal to 100. If the gaps are equal, then the required average of entire 12 months, required average of entire 12 months or 1 year for that year is first number plus last number by 2. That's it. This is applicable only if the gap between any two consecutive numbers are equal. Then you can directly apply this shortcut method. Here you know that first number is 5000, last number is 6100. That is the average of those two values, which will gives you the average of all the numbers. 5000 plus 6100 divided by 2. Here this value is 11100 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 times, again 5 times, again 5 times, and last 0. 5550. 5550 is the exact average monthly production for that particular year. Option C is the right answer for this question. And once again I am repeating that don't take all these numbers and the average of all those numbers. That is time waste process. Take first value and take last value and take the average of those numbers. That will gives you the average of entire year. Is it clear? Option C is the right answer for this question, 5550. Let's move on to the next question. See here, in a class, there are 32 boys and 28 girls. Total, there are 32 boys and 28 girls. The average age of boys, which is given as 14 years. This is the average age of boys. And after that, the average age of girls, which is given as 13. This is the average age of girls, 13 years. Now the question is, what is the average age of whole class? Whole class in the sense boys and girls together. Now we are calculating average of boys and girls together. If we want the average of boys and girls together, which is nothing but sum of boys plus sum of girls divided by total strength of boys and girls together. That will gives you the average of boys and girls or else entire class. Here in the brackets he is mentioning that rounded off to two decimal digits after decimal point. Rounded off to two decimal digits after the decimal point. It means that he indirectly said that you will not get the exact number. So you can calculate up to two decimal digits. Up to two decimal digits. Now you can calculate the value. The required average of entire class is equal to sum of boys. How can you get the sum of boys? Sum is nothing but average into number of boys. Here the average of boys which is given as 14 and that of number of boys 32. 14 into 32 plus sum of girls which is nothing but average of girls and into number of girls. Here the average of girls which is given as 13 years and the number of girls 28. Now you can divide with here it is number of boys 32 plus number of girls 28. Now you can calculate this value. Whatever the answer you will get, you just keep it as that particular answer. Here first I will calculate 13 into 14 into 32. Here it is 8 and next 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 14 and next 3 plus 1 4. 448 plus after that I will multiply 28 and 13. Here I will get 24 and next 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 2 16 and next 2 plus 1 3 364 divided by 32 plus 28 which is equal to here it is 50 plus 10 60. That is equal to here you can take it as this value as 448 plus 364. 4 plus 8 12. 7 plus 4 and 11. 4 plus 4 8. 812 divided by 60. 812 divided by 60. First of all, you just keep this 60 aside. Why? Because divide with 6. After that, you can divide with 10, right? Here, first of all, while dividing with 6, what you are getting? 1. Here it is 1 time, and next 2 is left over, 21, which is nothing but 3 times. After that, here it is again 32. 32 means 5 times, 5 times, and next 20. 20 means that is 3 times. Here in the denominator, you are having again 0, so it will be 13.53. 13.53. That is the required answer for this question. Option B is the right answer for this question. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.